Okie dokie. So, Justin wanted to do the 1-ton kit. We couldn't justify spending the price for the 1-ton kit, the steering kit, so we went with...
I mean, I guess essentially it's the 1-ton. It's a crossover steering kit from eBay. So, expectations are low, but...
Country of origin, do you believe?
China.
China.
That would be my guess.
I want your first reaction.
I don't know if you do.
Because I know if we opened the cab fab one, we'd be thrilled.
Oh, you're right.
So this is...
That's a nice looking kit. This one? Oh, dang!
Oh, that's pretty thick.
Okay. I'm not completely disappointed.
Dang. Dang. Dang!
He's got some beef to her.
Those are heavy duty Heims, huh?
Yeah, I'm sure they're not the best quality Heims, but...
Dang! I'm happy with it. So far, that's thick.
Honestly, I mean, it's supposed to be...
How heavy is it?
That's pretty heavy. I think it's 120 DOM, 1/4 inch wall. Yeah, you got arm day on this thing, dude.
120 wall? Dude, if we're bending that...
Yeah, we're gonna obliterate lots of other stuff before we bend this, I think.
Yeah.
I mean, the weld quality?
Oh, you know that was done by, never mind, I'm not good. I'll just say probably a 6-year-old.
Yeah.
Over there in the sweatshops.
Yeah. Child labor.
Oh yeah, I'm good with this kit.
Me too. For the price, it was 190 bucks. 190 bucks.
190 bucks shipped?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, that's pretty darn good considering the cab fab was almost 400.
Almost 400 shipped, yeah. Which, I mean, that's all USA made stuff, nice stuff. Nice.
Yeah, I'd love to support them, but we're balling on a budget here.
Yeah, it's a budget build for sure. I mean, it's good enough for who it's for at this point.
That's right. We're gonna grab a measurement from the old lockjaw, center to center. Try to get us close. Ooh, we put on. Oh boy. All right.
That should go right through there. I guess.
51 and a half?
Yep. 51 and a half.
Yeah, that'll get us a start. Cool. Alright, got the drag link disconnected on both knuckles. We got one part of the steering stabilizer unbolted, and then now we're just unbolting it from the old Pitman arm.
No, I almost bought a drop one of these, and then I was like, well, the track bar's not dropped either. It'll just both be on the wrong angle. It'll be fine.
You mean a drop one? Oh, a drop Pitman arm?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I said.
That's the right way to do it. We don't want to do it that way.
I don't like doing shit the right way. It ain't wrong, it ain't right.
That's right.
That's right.
Gently but firm. You go from maybe hit down on that. All right, with a little heat, a little purse swinging action, we got her out of the Pitman arm.
Hit her with the Louis Vuitton, really got her out of there. Oh.
There we go, look at that.
Get out of here.
Wow.
Cool.
Cool, now we got to start reaming. You want to ream some stuff?
My favorite, yeah.
I like to ream some stuff. Oh boy. Alright.
Alrighty.
Get ready, this is a wrist breaker. I can already see it.
Hopefully not, but let's see.
You want to just snap her fingers to the ER?
Oh gosh.
Yeah. You need a cheater bar next time, dude. Hi. Oh. Smoke too soon. Dang, look at that.
That's a nice bit. Also Amazon. 40 bucks. 5/8 reamer bit.
Not bad.
Make sure both.
I was about to say. Hopefully we have 5/8 bolts. There's other 9/16. Scrap! Gotta get a sleeve. Money.
Like a glove. Perfect.
Cool.
Cool. Alright.
Right.
More holes out?
Yeah, 2 more holes of ream and we'll be putting that thing on.
Okay.
Alright, look at this. Steering.
Strong.
We're getting there. Looks sweet, doesn't it?
This looks way better.
eBay kit. I wouldn't say 10 out of 10, but dang.
You ate it for the money?
For the money, the value is there.
Well, and considering the K-Fab one is one of the cheaper ones, the other ones are like 600 bucks, I think. For a lot of them are 500 something.
Yeah, that's not worth it for what we're doing.
Maybe if it was a clean, nice, legit crawler we were building.
Yeah, that's good enough for who it's for.